Hi, this video will look at how to create and manage users within version 3 of ProContract. To create and amend users, you must have the administrator role. To access the correct area, go to admin along the top and select manage users. This will show a list of any existing users that you have set up within your system. Firstly, we'll look at how to create new users. In the top right, we have the option to create user. This will take us through a new user creation wizard. Depending on what type of administrator access you have, you may be able to select which organization you want to add this user to. If you do not have that level of access, this will automatically select your organization. You then just have to add the department you would like to add the user to. If the department has not been set up yet within the system and is not listed here, we can create a new department. Give the department a name and click Create. This new department will now be listed in the department list. Once the relevant department has been selected, we click Continue. This page now asks for the main contact details for this user. When all the information has been added, we can then continue. Note that fax number and mobile number are optional fields. The next stage is to add the relevant address for this user. Any existing addresses set up within the system will be listed here. We can also create a new address if necessary. When the information has been added, click Create Address. This address will now be listed on the existing address list. Select the address and click Continue. This stage now allows you to select the relevant roles that this user will have within ProContract. To select the roles, we simply click the relevant boxes. There is a separate administrator user guide which gives a list of all of these roles and a description for each. Now that the relevant roles have been selected, I click Continue. The final stage is a summary page for the information that you have entered for this new user. Check everything, and if correct, click Create User. This new user will now receive one email containing their username and another email containing a password. Reset link. When the user clicks on that password reset link within the email, it will take them to a secure page where they can now add their own password. We will now look at how existing users can be managed within ProContract version 3. As you can see, we have a full list here of all users registered within this organization. This list can be exported to Excel if required. There is also a way of narrowing this list of users. On the left hand side, depending on your access rights, you may be able to select a different organization, but you can also search on different user roles. For example, if I only wanted to see those users that have the contract creator role, select the tick box, click Update, and you can see the list of users has been whittled down. This list of users shows their name, department, username, job title, telephone number and email address. To view full details of that user, click on their name. It is here where their location, contact details and access rights can be changed at any time by clicking on Edit. If this user has forgotten their password, the administrator can reset that user's password from here. The administrator can also deactivate a user from this actions area as well. There is also the ability to upload a user image for this user. To do this, click Edit, navigate to the relevant file, and click Upload. That image will now be stored against the user profile and will show whenever a user needs to add this particular person into a team. There is also an audit trail.